Imagine walking into a supermarket and discovering that many of your favorite foods are gone. No strawberries, no apples, no watermelons, no almonds. As strange as it sounds, this could happen if one tiny creature disappeared from our planet. The bee. Bees may seem small and unimportant, but they perform one of the most important jobs in nature. Every day, they travel from flower to flower, carrying pollen that helps plants reproduce. Without bees, many plants would struggle to produce fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Scientists estimate that a large portion of the world's food crops depend on pollinators, especially bees. If bees vanished, farmers would begin noticing the effects almost immediately. Crop yields would decrease, food supplies would shrink, and prices would rise. But the impact would not stop there. Many wild plants also depend on bees. As these plants disappear, animals that feed on them would lose an important source of food. Birds, insects, and mammals would all be affected. Over time, entire ecosystems could begin to change. A single bee colony can visit millions of flowers in one season. No machine or human workforce can match that level of efficiency. Some regions have already experienced declines in bee populations. In certain places, people have been forced to pollinate flowers by hand using brushes. However, this process is extremely slow and expensive compared to the natural work done by bees. Another surprising fact is that bees contribute billions of dollars to global agriculture every year simply through pollination. Yet bee populations around the world are facing serious threats. Pesticides, habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and diseases are making it increasingly difficult for bees to survive. If this trend continues, the consequences could have a massive impact on both nature and human life. Fortunately, there is still hope. Bee populations can be protected by planting more flowers, preserving natural habitats, and reducing the use of harmful chemicals. So, if bees disappeared tomorrow, the world would not collapse overnight. But many foods would become rare, ecosystems would suffer, and life on Earth would look very different. That is why bees are often called some of the most important creatures on the planet. If you enjoy fascinating facts about nature, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more amazing wildlife stories.